Kung naghahanap ka ng kainan dito sa Batangas na merong magandang view ng Taal Lake, may na-discover kami dito sa Mataas na Kahoy. This restaurant offers a perfect combination of mouth-watering dishes and stunning view of Taal Lake. Even nga yung interior nila, ang ganda, kaya kung may mga special occasion kayo, maganda rin mag-celebrate dito. The ambience is so relaxing, very peaceful ng lugar, and the service is also good. They offer Filipino dishes ranging from 300 pesos up to 700. They also have drinks like coffee, liquor, beer, and wine. And if you are going here as a group, meron naman silang bilao bundle kung saan mas makakatipid kayo. And for parents, don't worry, this establishment is pet friendly. Kare-kare and sizzling tuna nga yung in-order namin and chicken fillet for the kids. Ang sasarap nga ng food nila, lalo na yung bagoong sa kare-kare. Though nothing special naman kasi simple lang yung mga in-order namin, pero for me, worth it siya sa lasa at sa dami ng servings. Bahay Balok-Balok Restaurant is open daily from 7 AM up to 9 PM. And they are situated inside villas of Eco Hotel, located in Lumang Lipa, Mataas na Kahoy, Batangas. Aside from restaurant, meron din silang event place and private villas for your staycation. Kaya sa mga mahilig mag-food trip or mag-road trip dyan, naku, huwag niyong kalimutan subukan dito. Worth it dito kasi sa ambience pa lang panalo ka na. And by the way, hindi to sponsored post ha. We're just sharing our experience as someone na mahilig mag-explore. Ayun lang guys, and don't forget to follow me. Bye-bye!